Hi, I'm James with SuperBrightLEDs.com. Today we're unboxing our second series LED post top light with added feature of selectable CCT. The fixture comes out of the box flat to lower shipping and storage costs and simply screws in place. The selectable CCT switch is located underneath the top cover. 4 screws hold the top cover in place and are covered by rubber caps. Using a small screwdriver, you can remove these 4 rubber caps to access the screws holding the cover in place. Once the screws are removed, the housing opens, giving access to the selectable CCT switch. There are 3 different modes of temperatures: warmer 3000K, daylight 4000K, cool white 5000K. Once the preferred color temperature is selected, reinstall the cover, and the fixture is ready to be installed. The clean style of this light can be applied in campuses, retail areas, parks, and more. I'm James, and thank you for joining me here at SuperBrightLEDs.com.